Hello to all my viewers who are watching this video. Thank you so much for watching my previous lecture. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Okay, so today's topic is noun part 3. In the previous lecture, I have explained this part 2 and today's topic is part 3. Okay, let's start the video. Kinds of noun. Possessive noun. A possessive noun is the name of a person, place, thing that shows ownership or possession at apostrophe and s with the noun. Okay, what is possessive noun? Possessive noun क्या होते हैं? वो नाउन होते हैं जिनके जो किसी भी जगह का नाम हो, किसी भी चीज़ या किसी भी शख्स का नाम हो, उस शख्स के नाम के आगे हम एस लगा दें अपॉस्ट्रोफी के साथ. जैसे ये एग्जांपल्स में आप देख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, द बॉयज़ शर्ट. द बॉयज़ शर्ट. बॉयज़ मीन्स here I am not, this is not a plural noun. Please remember, this is not a plural noun. This is a possessive noun because it has apostrophe with the s of a noun and it shows ownership. That boy owns the shirt. वो लड़के की शर्ट है. ठीक है. Let's see the second example. My father's car. My father's. Father's means मेरे father की गाड़ी. Father owns the car. Then it's Amna's birthday. For my university's canteen. मेरी university की canteen. Right? So if you add apostrophe with the s at the end of a noun, it turns into a possessive noun. Another kind of noun is compound noun. What is compound noun? A noun that combines two or more nouns together, which makes one noun, और you can say one word. कोई भी दो नाउन जब एक कंबाइन होके एक नाउन या एक वर्ड बना देते हैं वो कंपाउंड नाउन बन जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टूथपेस्ट. टूथ इज़ अ वन नाउन, पेस्ट इज़ अ सेकेंड नाउन, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टुगेदर टूथपेस्ट इट विल बी कॉल्ड एज कंपाउंड नाउन. हेयर ब्रश. हेयर इज़ अ वन नाउन, ब्रश इज़ अनदर नाउन, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टुगेदर जब एक साथ इनको कहा जाता है तो वो कंपाउंड नाउन बन जाता है. ऐसे ही यहाँ एग्जांपल देखें. एयरपोर्ट. एयर एक अलग नाउन है, पोर्ट एक अलग नाउन है, लेकिन जब आप इसे एक साथ मिलाकर कहते हैं एयरपोर्ट तो ये एक अलग नाउन बन जाता है. फ्रेंडशिप. फ्रेंड इज़ वन नाउन, शिप another noun. When it comes to together friendship, it will be a compound noun. Then football. I hope you understand this compound noun. Another kind of noun is collective noun. A noun that is a collection of people or thing. कोई एक word जो बहुत सारे collectively people को और thing को explain कर रहा हो. For example, group. Group means more than one people, more than one noun, right? Army, staff, crew, crowd. Then you can say public. Public is a noun, but it shows a collection of people in one word. Moving towards the next kind of noun, concrete noun. What is concrete noun? A noun that you can touch, smell, hear, sight and taste. Concrete noun वो होते हैं जिनको आप टच कर सकें, स्मेल कर सकें, सुन सकें, देख सकें और टेस्ट कर सकें. Let's see the example. I have got new phone. Phone. Phone is a concrete noun. You can touch your phone. That means it's a concrete noun. I love listening music. Music. You can hear the music. So it's a concrete noun. This book is great. Book. It's a noun. But which kind of noun? It's a concrete noun. My teacher is strict. Teacher is a noun. But which kind of noun? Concrete noun. You can see your teacher, right? My office is big. Office is a noun, but it's which kind of noun? It's a concrete noun. I hope you understand all kind of nouns. With this is the end of lesson number 5. We have completed our noun topic. Yay! If you have any queries or suggestions, do comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.